Yo, tech lovers, ready to ride the future? Today, we're diving into insane military machines that are on another level. Don't blink, don't scroll, don't miss it. The future is in your hands right now.
The TRX robotic combat vehicle is a next-generation unmanned ground system built for modern warfare. Developed by General Dynamics Land Systems under the U.S. Army's Robotic Combat Vehicle program, this hybrid electric modular platform can carry payloads equal to its own weight without losing mobility. TRX supports mission modules such as weapons, sensors, electronic warfare systems, and resupply equipment. Its multi-role design enables reconnaissance, fire support, counter-drone missions, obstacle breaching, and autonomous resupply alongside conventional forces. AI-enhanced systems ensure reliable navigation across diverse terrain, while its hybrid powertrain supplies exportable energy for onboard systems. Variants like TRX Shored and Leonidas highlight its adaptability and future-ready combat capability. The Delta Black Raider 330 is a next-generation unmanned aerial system built for endurance, payload capacity, and operational flexibility. This Group 3 UAS features hybrid electric propulsion with true VTOL and extreme short takeoff and landing capability, allowing operations from austere locations without runways. With over 28 hours of flight time, a range exceeding 1,600 nautical miles, and a service ceiling of 22,000 feet, it delivers persistent coverage across vast areas. Its modular design supports payloads over 100 pounds, including ISR sensors, communications gear, and mission-specific packages. Built to offer Group 4 class performance in a compact, cost-effective platform, the Raider 330 excels in GPS-denied and contested environments. The Eric Systems AXS-MU-1 is a next-generation micro-UAV that redefines tactical drone performance with omnidirectional propulsion and exceptional maneuverability. Measuring just 40 by 40 centimeters, it can reach speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour, travel 20 kilometers, and carry payloads of up to 1.5 kilograms for about 15 minutes. Its omnidirectional system provides full control over roll, pitch, and yaw, enabling rapid direction changes, hovering, inverted flight, and precise positioning in difficult conditions. With 32 attachment points and a flexible electronic interface, it supports sensors, AI modules, and mission-specific payloads. It operates autonomously or via FPV with AI-assisted obstacle avoidance, supporting ISR, interception, and loitering missions. The Tatra Desert Master is a next-generation off-road military vehicle designed to conquer deserts, mountains, and the toughest terrain where ordinary trucks fail. As part of Tatra Trucks' defense lineup, it blends immense power with advanced engineering. It features Tatra's signature central backbone tube chassis and independent swinging half-axles, delivering superior traction and stability. Built for versatility, the Desert Master can be customized for troop transport, logistics, command missions, or weapons platforms, with configurations ranging from 4x4 to massive multi-axle rigs. Its rugged design ensures reliable performance in extreme heat while carrying heavy loads and mission-critical equipment. The Leonardo Proteus is a next-generation autonomous rotorcraft designed to revolutionize naval aviation. Developed under the UK's Rotary Wing Uncrewed Air System program, Proteus is based on a modified AW09 airframe, weighing around 3 tons and capable of carrying up to 1,000 kilograms of mission-specific payloads. These include anti-submarine sensors, sonar, radar, and logistics equipment. Its AI-enhanced autonomy, digital engineering, and advanced composite materials enable complex flight control and environmental awareness, making it ideal for long-endurance maritime missions. Proteus has completed its first autonomous flight, proving the feasibility of large unmanned rotorcraft. With modular payloads and pilot-free operations, it extends surveillance, anti-submarine warfare, and logistical support without risking crewed aircraft. The Scout AI Nomad is a next-generation unmanned ground vehicle redefining autonomous military robotics. Powered by the Fury AI autonomy stack, it operates fully beyond line of sight, navigating complex terrain, following teammates, and completing missions without direct human control. Unlike traditional UGVs, Nomad uses a camera-only system combined with advanced vision, language, and action reasoning, enabling human-like judgment and adaptability in real time. Its compact, power-efficient design supports multiple payloads, including reconnaissance tools, logistics gear, or mission-specific systems, while staying lightweight and low signature. Designed for light tactical operations, Nomad scouts ahead, supports resupply, and protects soldiers by keeping troops out of danger. The Bayraktar TB2 is a medium-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned combat aerial vehicle that has reshaped modern warfare. With over 1 million operational flight hours, it has demonstrated proven reliability and effectiveness in multiple conflict zones. The TB2 features a 12-meter wingspan, a maximum takeoff weight of around 650 to 700 kilograms, and a payload capacity of up to 150 kilograms. It can carry electro-optical and infrared sensors, laser designators, and precision-guided munitions such as MAMC and MAML. With more than 27 hours of endurance and an operational ceiling above 25,000 feet, it enables extended surveillance and precision strikes. Fully automated takeoff and landing systems ensure consistent performance in complex environments. The STM Neta 300 is a next-generation autonomous underwater vehicle built to enhance modern naval operations. Developed by Turkish defense firm STM, it can operate at depths of up to 300 meters and conduct missions lasting up to 24 hours. Compact and portable, it can be deployed by 2 operators from almost any surface vessel. The Neta 300 features advanced sonar systems, including side scan and optional synthetic aperture sonar, enabling precise mine detection and underwater mapping. Beyond mine countermeasures, it supports reconnaissance, surveillance, anti-submarine warfare, explosive ordnance disposal, and search and rescue missions. Currently undergoing Mediterranean Sea trials, it is set to strengthen maritime security and showcase the future of autonomous underwater systems.